Hey, fourth grade, it's time to draw some more animals. Today we're going to draw a kangaroo. The first thing you are going to need is a piece of paper. You're going to need a pencil. You're probably going to need your eraser. And we're going to get started. Okay, for this drawing, we're going to go the tall way with our paper. We're going to start by folding it in half, top to bottom. And then we'll go side to side. So top to bottom, open it up, let's go side to side. We're going to draw a kangaroo. So we're going to start first by knowing where our middle fold is. So our middle is right here. We're going to draw an angled line that is below that middle fold. We're not going to start all the way over here. We're going to come in probably about 3 or 4 fingers. So about 3 fingers, 4 fingers, you're going to come in. We're going to draw an angled line that comes down to about halfway from my middle fold to the bottom. So if you want to make a mark, we're about halfway. We're going to go right about there. We're going to come in about 3 or 4 fingers. So if you want to make a finger mark, you're going to come in about there. I know that's a little dot. There's my dot. There's my other dot. We're going to draw an angled line that connects them. Looks like I went 3 fingers. So do 3 fingers, not 4. So from here, we're going to turn that into a half circle. Does it have to be a perfect half circle? No, just needs to be the best you can do. Remember, if you're erasing, use a good eraser, not necessarily the one on your pencil. Okay, we're going to draw kind of a rounded teardrop shape up here. So we're going to start out with the back, and it's not going to connect. So we're going to start out with the back of our kangaroo's head as kind of a U shape. And we're going to come down at an angle, but instead of pointing, we're going to round it so it's a little bit smaller. We're going to angle it back up. Then we're going to use 2 curved lines to connect it to our body. I don't like that. Let's erase that and try that one again. There we go. That looks a little better. Okay, I'm going to give you a heads up. We don't need these lines, so what do? We erase them. So use your good eraser. Use that good eraser. Okay, so there is our kangaroo's head and its body. We're going to give our kangaroo almost flower petal shaped ears. So we're going to come up to a point, come up to a point, and then our one behind, we do the same thing, but we're going to have it be behind, so tucked behind that head. So we're just going to come up to the point a little bit shorter. Now, do I need this line? Nope. So I'm going to erase it. I think, however, I need to make my back ear just a little bit fatter. So I'm just going to extend it out just a little bit. Yeah, I like that better. There we go. So we have kangaroo ears, head, body. Let's give him a tail and feet. Now you're going to want to kind of sketch in a line to make our legs be about the same spot as the tail. So lightly sketch in a line. And it only needs to go about a little over halfway across your paper, but lightly sketch in that line. We're going to draw the tail first. The tail is going to look like a backwards L. So we're going to come out of our point almost straight down. Then we're going to turn at a 90-degree angle and come down and touch our ground. Then we're going to trace that ground line that we drew. We're going to curve, come back that way. We're going to curve just about a finger's width past our tail. We're going to come straight back up into our body. So there's our kangaroo's tail. We're going to come over a little bit, and we're now going to do the feet. We're going to start this one up in our body. we're going to do something very similar, only this time we're going to go to the right. We're going to come down. We're going to get to the bottom. We're going to curve it. We're going to go across our middle fold. This time we want to give him a little bit more space for our foot. We can actually give that just a little bit more length. Give him a little bit more of a foot. Curve it up. Then, oops, don't draw on your paper. When you turn your pencil, don't draw on your paper. We're going to come back. Notice this one's angled for our tail. This one I brought straight back. It's parallel to the foot at the bottom. Then we're going to curve it. And we're going to come straight up into our kangaroo. Now, if you want to make it look like your kangaroo's got some more muscle to his leg, which he does, you can give him a little bit more leg muscle by drawing that curvy D shape. Do I need this line? Nope, so we're going to erase it. Do I need this line? Nope, so we're going to erase it. Now, if you want to show that your kangaroo's got some muscle to his leg, go with that D shape and erase the rest. Now I'm going to fix mine so it's not so sketchy looking. There we go. Now our kangaroo needs a front leg to help balance him out. So our front leg, we're going to draw kind of a squiggle. So this will be the part that's closest to its body. So we're going to draw a slight S shape. Then we're going to come up a little bit higher. We're going to come out, kind of match this line right here. Curve. We're going to give him kind of a paw. Now, do I need this line anymore? Nope, so let's erase it. Now, our kangaroo needs an eyeball. How many eyes? Just one, because we're looking at the side. So go ahead and give him an eye. And then our kangaroo needs some land. So I would draw your land way up here. That way he's got some room to bounce. But it's your choice. Just don't draw it way down here. You can erase away what we didn't use down at the bottom. If you'd like, that'll give you a little bit more finished look. And there you have it. There's your kangaroo. Okay, I will see fourth grade in another video.